Weather Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, bringing you the latest weather forecasts, warnings, and other weather information, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Station WXJ41 serves the city of Hartford and surrounding National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hartford County in northern Connecticut, southwestern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, western Hampden County in western Massachusetts, until 7:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:47 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Chester to near Taunton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Severe thunderstorms will be near Chester, Blandford, and Middlefield around 6:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Montgomery around 7:05 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Huntington around 7:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Granby, West Hampton, Grand Hill, and Chesterfield around 7:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Southampton and Russell around 7:20 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. East Hampton and Southwick around 7:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Northampton and Williamsburg around 7:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Westfield and Agawam around 7:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Strong thunderstorms approaching the east slopes of the Berkshires. At 6:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Otis, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include winds up to 45